Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the architectural drawings. Architectural drawings consist of 2D plans, elevations and sections. In addition to this, if the client or the customer is expecting a 3D view of the structure, the architect can even provide the 3D view of the structure. This is in the form of architectural drawings. When you come to structural drawing, we can prepare the structural drawing using the AutoCAD software. So that consists of all the framing plans, foundation plans, location of the column, beam layout, column layout, and so on. In addition to structural drawing, when you come to MEP, that includes the electrical drawing and the plumbing drawing. So these all together we can create by using the AutoCAD software. If you want to develop a city or individual community, there are some norms and standards. The architect has to prepare the plan according to that norms and standard. We have National Building Code of India, Volume 1 and Volume 2. In this National Building Code, we have all the details like how the building has to be developed, whether it is a residential building or a commercial building. The norms and standards are given in these two volumes, and apart from this we have the state-wise norms and standards. So following all this, the architect has to prepare the plan to develop a city or a community. For example, if you want to develop a community, you should know the location of the main building, the location of the clubhouse, the location of the amenities and pathways. So the architectural plan help us to locate these structures in a proper way. Even in this plan, you can see many structures are there. So the community has to be developed according to the norms and standards. So in this way, architectural drawings help us to locate the particular structure. Architectural plan has many views like top view, front view, side view. In architectural drawing, when you take the 2D plans, we just draw the plans from the top view. For example, if you take a residential building from top view, we can locate the rooms, where the kitchen has to come, where the bedroom, where should be the living room. These can be located in the 2D plan from the top view. This is another example. If you look at from top view, you can see the location of each rooms. This is the 2D drawing with dimensions, and if the customer is asking for the 3D view, the architect can provide the 3D elevation like this. Let's look into the plan of a contemporary villa. It has ground floor, first floor and terrace floor. So this is how the 2D plans looks like. For each floor we will be having the separate floor plans, and when you take into the views elevation, we have south side elevation and west side elevation, north side elevation, east side elevation. So all the four side we will be having the elevation drawing. We can even say that front view, side view and back side view. And if you want to mention as per the direction, we can even represent the directions. When you look into the section, see here we have section 1, section 2 and section 3. These sections are the cut sections from the plan. For example, if you take section 1, here it is given. In the plan, it is given here, section 1. This arrow indicates that if you cut the section at this point, what and all you can see, what are all the elements you can see, that needs to be given in section 1. So if you cut the section here, you will be viewing this staircase, this dining area. So that is what it is shown in this section 1. See the staircase, dining area. That is in the ground floor plan. When you go to the first floor plan, in section 1, you will be seeing the staircase here and the family room here. Okay. So that is given in the first floor area, staircase and the family. When you go to the terrace, you will be getting the staircase headroom. Okay. It is roof, right? So the staircase headroom you can see, and this terrace area. So that is what it is given here. This is staircase headroom area and the terrace. And next section 2. Section 2 is cut over here. When the section 2 is cut over here, you have to see from this direction. See the arrow mark indicates this direction. Okay. So if you cut here in the ground floor plan, you can just imagine car parking, dining and kitchen. Okay. So let's see the section 2. car parking, dining and kitchen. Similarly, when it goes to first floor plan, we have the section 2 cut in this direction, balcony, family and these toilets. See, in section 2, this is first floor. So this is the balcony area and family room and then toilet. Next, as usual, terrace. This is the headroom. If you look into this section, the headroom and then open terrace you will get. Next, section 3. When you take this section 3, this is also cut in this direction but little bit away from section 2. So in section 2, we'll get section 3. We will get living, staircase and this bedroom. See, living area, staircase and then bedroom. And if you look into the first floor plan, in section 3 we get this bedroom, staircase and master bedroom. Bedroom 2, stair area and then master bedroom. And terrace, as usual, we'll see the terrace headroom and then open terrace. So in this way you have to create the architectural drawings which includes plans, section and elevations. So friends, I hope you understood about the architectural drawings clearly. Let's meet in the next lecture.